AvPro is proud to present this LEARJET 60 XR, serial number 388. The LEARJET 60 offers best-in-class time to climb and fuel burn efficiency. It also offers the fastest cruise speeds among its competitors and one of the highest mission reliability rankings. It handles exceptionally well and has heavy wing loading, resulting in remarkably smooth flights even when flying through turbulent areas. The LEARJET 60 can climb to 43,000 feet in 14 minutes, with a service ceiling of 51,000 feet, allowing you to cruise above even the worst weather patterns. The 60 XR variation is upgraded with ProLine 21 avionics and improvements to the cabin. Serial number 388 features a striking 7-passenger fire-blocked interior, including a forward right-hand 3-place divan opposite a left-hand fully equipped galley offering an extended work surface. The aft cabin features a 4-place club arrangement with 2 fold-out tables. A fully enclosed aft lavatory is belted for an 8th passenger. Other features include Airshow 4000 in-flight information system and forward and aft bulkhead-mounted 15-inch LCD monitors. LEARJET 60 XR, serial number 388, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.